Your TCL TV won't turn on. Black screen, no sound, nothing. Before you assume it's broken or head out to buy a new one, there are several proven fixes you can try right at home. This video will walk you through each one, step by step, to help you get your TV working again. Stick around until the end. One of these solutions could be exactly what your TV needs. The first thing you should try is a soft reset, also called power cycling the TV. All you need to do is unplug your TCL TV from the wall outlet. Once it's unplugged, wait for a full 60 seconds. Don't rush this part, it's important to give it time. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 to 30 seconds. After that, wait a few more minutes, then plug the TV back into the wall and try turning it on again. This simple step often fixes the problem and gets the TV working normally. Take the batteries out of your TV remote, and then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 15 seconds. Once you've done that, put in a fresh set of batteries and try turning the TV on again. Also, check if any of the buttons on the remote, especially the power button, feel stuck. If a button is stuck, it might be sending a constant signal that's stopping the TV from turning on properly. Try plugging your TCL TV into a different wall socket, preferably one in another room. Make sure you're not using any surge protectors or smart plugs. Just connect the TV directly to the wall outlet. This helps rule out any power issues coming from the socket or connected devices. Take a close look at the power cord connected to your TV. Check if there are any signs of damage like cuts, kinks, or if the cable feels loose. If you have another compatible power cable, try using that instead. Also look at the port where the cable connects to the TV and make sure there's no dust, dirt, or corrosion that could be causing a poor connection. Next, unplug all HDMI and USB devices from the TV. Sometimes one of these connected devices can interfere with the power-up process. After everything is disconnected, try turning on the TV using the power button on the TV itself. If it turns on, then one of those external devices might be the issue. You can reconnect them one at a time to find out which one is causing the problem. If your TV still won't turn on but the standby light is on, it could be a more serious issue like a backlight or board failure. You can do a quick flashlight test to check for a backlight problem. Just shine a flashlight close to the screen and look closely to see if you can spot any faint images or movement. If you can, that usually means the backlight isn't working, even though the TV is actually on. That's it for this video on how to fix your TCL TV when it won't turn on. I hope one of these steps helped you get your screen back to life. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got a question? Or did one of these methods work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd really like to hear what worked in your case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.